Well, I think I'm going to leave you right there. And newsflash, hey, I just turned the video camera on and I go for it. I have not removed one of those exactly like this before, and I'm not going to let that stop me from doing this, right? I can figure it out. I can figure it out. That's why I make these videos, so that if I can do it, you can do it. That's the whole crux of this. If you haven't figured out my channel by now, okay? So I think this has some cracks in it too, right there. Dabbity nabbit. I think I'm going to have to, well, that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay. Guess I'll have to, see it comes off right there. So, let me get my screwdriver. I always bring my nail bag out because I never know. I never know when I'm going to need something in it, and before I thought, I'll just take out one or two things, and it never fails. I always have to get something else out of it. I just brought the whole thing out here. Okay, I see where it's connected right there, and I just have to get it. I just have to get it loose. There. There we go. I'm gonna reuse this thing too. I'm not going down to the store. See the nibs, those little nibs on there. That's what holds it. That's what holds it on there. And because this has been bent exactly like that, see, it's cracked right there. But I think I could probably still just leave it exactly like that. Okay, because I was gonna actually straighten it out and bend it down the other way. You see there? I think I'm gonna leave it though. And by doing that, I can still have it. I can still have it come out. Well, let me think about this for a minute. Oh, okay. Maybe I can turn it. Maybe I can turn it the other way. Dabbity nabbit. And just have it go down like that. That'll work. See, I've got the holes. I just flipped it upside down. Is what I did. Put it like that. This is gonna be bent down, just like that. So see how much short it is. So I may have to cut a little bit of that off first, and this is what I'm going to use. It's just a coupling. And these are slick too. See, there's nibs here, and there's some inside. And you see, this is designed to fit on the outside of a 3-inch pipe. And what are these for? That's if you have a 4-inch line. This will fit on the inside of a 4-inch line, and those nibs will hold it on there. For a 3-inch line, you've got some little raised areas. I think hopefully you can see those. There's 4 of them. Okay, and that's going to hold it on there. And I thought it was funny when I went to this hardware store. They had these for like $3, and then they had some other ones. It was all nice and smooth and shiny and pretty, and it was only for a 3-inch, and those were like $5. And they were on eye level shelf. Of course, these were down at the bottom shelf, way on the floor, actually, way over off to the right hand side. I could hardly even see them. I ended up saving, oh, it was close to $10 because I got 3 of them, you know. And so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to end up cutting a little bit of this pipe. And like I say, I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to do it yet. I don't think I want to connect that right there because it might show, and I might need to twist it right there because see, I'm going to have this line over here. Then I'm going to twist it like that coming up. Do you see what I mean? And so I don't want this up out of the ground. So I can cut this back. I can cut it back. And I happen to have a drywall knife. Where is it? Oh, it's over here again. Okay, I've got a drywall knife, and I can just cut that with my drywall knife. And because it's easy for me to reach, but if it was hard for me to reach, you'd just take a hacksaw blade and you could cut it off. You know, you can do that too. And once you start it with your drywall knife, and I'm just gonna kind of see it's gonna be bending right there. I may cut it back into here because that's where the coupling will be, and then I can have a lot of bending action going on. Okay, all right. So you just cut it on the inside groove. You see, and once you get it that far, you can just raise it up and cut off the rest. You know, like that. And I don't know, am I going to throw that away just yet? Probably not. I'll probably save it for right now. Okay. And this happens to have kind of a curve on it already. This side's a little bit straighter, so I don't know, should I use the curve area? I think I will. I think I'll use the curve area, and I can take that and snap it on like that. Okay, see? And I can do the same thing right here. Until it snaps. Ah, good grief, it's not. Maybe I should put that one in first, huh? I don't know. They're kind of tricky to get on and off. Okay, let's just see if I got it. I think I got it all the way on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Like that. Now, let's see if I can snap that on there. I'm right-handed, and I should turn around and do it the other way, shouldn't I? I just don't want to get in your way. All right. Let's see if I ate my Wheaties this morning or not.